To get the last working day in a month, you can use the workday or workday.intl function together with the end of month function. You can use this formula. End of month function gets the last day of month of any date. To this result, we add 1, which results in the first day of the next month. Pass this as the start date to the workday function. Pass -1 as days. The workday function calculates the previous day taking into account weekends. The result is the last workday of the month. For January 2021, the last working day is 29th. To get the last working day of month considering holidays, just add the range that contains holiday dates as the third argument. Since we listed Jan 29th as a holiday, now the function will return the last working day as 28th. The workday function uses the default weekend Saturday and Sunday. To use custom weekends, use workday.intl function. For example, let us set Friday as weekend. Since Friday is the weekend and not Saturday or Sunday, and the last day of Jan is Sunday, the function will return the last working day as 31st. To download example Excel file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.